Picture this. You're wandering through an incredible museum, your feet start screaming for mercy, you desperately scan the room for a bench, and nothing. We've all been there, silently wishing we could conjure up a seat out of thin air. That's why folding walking sticks with built-in seats are like portable miracles that can rescue you in those moments of need. Today, I'm taking you through the 7 best rest companions that will revolutionize how you explore the world. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is perfect for you. Links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the Tada Chair Series 2, my first star candidate. I'll admit, when I first saw it, I thought this looks too stylish to be a walking stick. Its modern design makes you look more like a futuristic visionary than someone who simply needs to take a load off. The most impressive part? It transforms into a seat in seconds. No wrestling with complicated mechanisms, no embarrassing struggles in public. I recently spoke with someone who took this on an all-day museum tour, and they called it a life-changing game changer. Lightweight while walking, sturdy when sitting, and it attracted envious glances from tired tourists all day long. It's perfect for city exploring, especially if you're the type who gets caught up in sightseeing and suddenly realizes your legs are on strike. Fair warning though, while it performs beautifully on smooth city surfaces, take it on a rocky trail and you might find yourself in an unplanned meeting with the ground. Moving along to the Linthin LX-1152, which tackles the one-size-fits-none problem brilliantly. Remember that annoying feeling when a cane is either hitting your armpit or making you hunch over? This adjustable wonder solves that with customizable height settings. The seat is generously sized too, which your posterior will definitely appreciate after hours of standing. I chatted with a frequent traveler who swears this is their airport secret weapon, compact enough to navigate crowded terminals but ready to transform into a comfortable perch during those eternal security lines. It's the perfect balance of affordability and reliability. Though I should mention that while the seat is comfortable, it's not the widest throne in our lineup. If you have a habit of shifting around when you sit, you might find yourself wishing for just a bit more space. Next up is the Kmina Pro 1602, which I like to call the tank of walking stick seats. From the moment you pick it up, you can feel the difference. This thing was built to last through years of daily use. The ergonomic handle deserves special mention because it actually considers the shape of human hands. Revolutionary, I know. The transformation from stick to seat happens with a satisfying smoothness that inspires confidence. Many users have pointed out that unlike cheaper models, this one doesn't feel wobbly or unstable, even after months of use. That makes it a fantastic option for people who rely on it daily, rather than just as an occasional convenience. If dependability is your top priority, especially for everyday use, this deserves serious consideration. Now, let's talk about the Alevmoom walking cane with seat, the heavyweight champion of our lineup, both in strength and, well, actual weight. While some folding seats feel like they might collapse if you sneeze, this one remains rock solid. The seat is designed for actual, comfortable resting, not just a symbolic pause in your journey. A friend of mine brought this to an outdoor concert recently and came back raving about how it transformed their experience. While everyone else was shifting from foot to foot in discomfort, they were sitting comfortably throughout the show. This one's also great if you plan to use it frequently on grass or uneven ground since it has a sturdy base that doesn't sink easily. Yes, it's a bit heavier to carry, but isn't that extra bit of effort worth the confidence of knowing it won't betray you mid-sit? Then there's the Yayayo YYY-CS, a name that might be impossible to remember, but a product you won't forget. This is the ninja of walking stick seats, stealthy, compact, and surprisingly capable. If you're self-conscious about carrying obvious mobility aids, this discreet option folds down so small you might forget you're carrying it. I've heard from travelers who love how it slips easily into carry-on luggage and doesn't announce itself to the world. It's also a great pick for those who like to keep their gear as lightweight as possible. If your ideal walking stick is one you barely notice until you need it, this is the one for you. The trade-off? The seat is on the smaller side, so if you prefer a more generous sitting surface, you might want to look elsewhere. Next in our journey is the Pepe Mobility folding cane chair, which prioritizes comfort above all else. This is the lazy boy of portable seating, the roomiest seat in our collection designed for those who want to truly relax, not just hover above the ground momentarily. I spoke with someone who used this throughout a day-long outdoor festival, and they couldn't stop praising how it saved their energy and enjoyment. Instead of constantly looking for walls to lean against, they simply unfolded their personal oasis whenever needed. This is also a great option for people who experience back pain and need a solid, supportive seat to take the pressure off their spine. The only downside? It's not quite as compact as some others when folded, but that extra space when seated might be well worth the trade-off. Finally, we arrive at the Tada Chair Series 2 PRO, which I'm not ashamed to admit is my personal favorite and daily companion. It takes everything that works about the original and elevates it: larger seat, stronger materials, and a premium feel that justifies its higher price tag. I've trusted this through countless travel adventures, outdoor events, and those inevitable long waits that pepper modern life. It has never once let me down, even after repeated use on different terrains and in various conditions. The sturdy build gives me peace of mind knowing I can rely on it whenever I need a break, without worrying about wobbles or wear and tear. If you're looking for the absolute best and your budget allows, this is the gold standard of walking stick seats. The best part? Unlike bulkier options, it still maintains a sleek and stylish look. You won't feel like you're lugging around extra baggage everywhere you go. Plus, the quick and effortless unfolding mechanism makes it incredibly practical for those who need to sit down fast without a complicated setup. So how do you choose from these magnificent 7? It all comes down to your personal priorities and how you plan to use it. If you want something featherlight that won't weigh you down, the original Tada Chair Series 2 is your match. Sleek, stylish, and quick to unfold, making it perfect for smooth terrain like city streets and museums. Need height adjustability for a custom fit? The Linthin has you covered, ensuring maximum comfort whether you're short, tall, or somewhere in between. Great for frequent travelers who need flexibility. If tank-like durability is your main concern, the Kmina Pro and Alevmoom are built for daily, heavy use, with sturdy frames that inspire confidence. The Yayayo is the best ultra-compact option, perfect if you want something that virtually disappears into your bag but is always there when you need it. If maximum comfort is your priority, the Pepe Mobility chair offers the roomiest seat, making it the best choice for longer resting periods. And if you simply want the best of all worlds, a balance of strength, design, and premium quality, then the Tada Chair Series 2 PRO is my ultimate recommendation. Think about where and how often you'll use it, whether you prioritize portability, comfort, or durability, and you'll find the perfect match. Check out all the links in the description below. If this video helped your decision, hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more practical reviews, and I'll see you in the next one with more solutions to life's everyday challenges.